If you twist your neck when you are young, you will sometimes hear a clatter. In fact, this is because the fluid in the joint when your neck is turning. Yes, it is the kind of magical fluid that makes the joints flexible and free. Small bubbles are produced due to the change in pressure. When these small bubbles burst, there will be that kind of thrilling sound. But don't think this sound is just fun. If you twist too hard, it will be dangerous, because a strong twist may tear the inner wall of the blood vessel. What's worse is that this tearing may lead to the formation of blood clots. These blood clots are like speedless guests. They may rush to your brain along the flow of blood. Once they block the channel of blood flow, it will be a big trouble. The risk of being stung will be greatly increased, so you must be gentle when you twist your neck.